Today we are going from this to this. I started with a weed mat. Mine is a 3x5 foot. Now this area used to have mulch, so all I did to prep for this weed net was remove any mulch. I wanted to get the weed net as straight as possible because the whole reason for this is to make a weed barrier. I do not want any weed killer, so I am opting for this instead. Now I am cutting around the plants that live in this area, trying to get as close to the base of the plant. The tree was a little tricky, but I was able to finesse a little bit, cut around, and lay it down after quite some trying. They do sell some pins, and those help. Now, I'm going to straighten the mat and start with my rocks. I ordered these rocks from Facebook Marketplace, and they came and they delivered them directly into my driveway. I used a white river rock. Now we are making piles so that we can be even, make them as even as possible. A rake is great for this. A rake, a shovel, and I also have a shovel head that fell off the stick, and that really does help me. That's what I'm using here. So basically, you just take a pile. If you don't have a wheelbarrow, you can also use a bucket. And I thought about maybe having the person emptying all the rocks closer to this section and not on the driveway, but then it would be in the grass and that would be a nightmare to get all up. So I would either lay something down and have the rocks delivered directly on top of that, or just use your driveway because those rocks come up very easy off of a driveway. So here I am just using that shovel head to really kind of try to even out all of these rocks as much as possible, as close up to the tree and the bushes and the little plants that I have already pre-planted. If these plants didn't live here before, then it would probably be a whole lot easier to do these secondly after the weed mat, but you'd still have to put the rocks around them. As you can see, the weed mat fell over where we put the rocks because it was about a 4-foot section. And so this is good because now you can really kind of go underneath the rock and use a box cutter to cut the rest of the weed mat away. And this way the rocks will fall on top of it and you won't even see it. So that's what I'm doing here. Might be hard for you to see, but I'm just taking a box cutter and I'm just cutting from the underneath the rocks. So like you lift it up a little bit and then just cut underneath the rocks, and then the rocks will naturally fall on top of the what is left of the weed mat. And we're just finishing it up here. this whole project took probably about 2 hours, and there's the finishing